So hello everyone, welcome back to Know It today, and in this WordPress series we are going to see how to download a theme and install it on WordPress. So let's start. I'll link all these links in the description. So there are certain themes we have here and we can pick any one and just download that and install it. So what we can pick, mostly they are for like blogging, but I think this is kind of a personal portfolio thing. So let's download it. We can preview it. Let's preview. Style, there are styles variation for the color accents. Wow, it's nice. Yeah. Contact. Okay, contact is contact. There is one problem in this, else looks fine. So let's download it. Let's see what's the size of it. So it's downloaded. So we'll see in the downloads. What was the name? Flareon. Okay, it is 3.2 MB. So if you haven't watched my video where there's a problem with WordPress that there's a limit to how much size of the file we can upload, in this case you will feel the problem. So if I show you to upload file, it won't work actually. So for that you need to increase the memory limit for upload limit for things in WordPress. So yeah, so this is the zip file. Install now. It will unpack the theme, install the theme, and woo, theme installed successfully. We'll go to themes, and here we can see our theme and we'll activate it. So theme is activated. Let's go to appearance, themes. Now we need to go to this IP without admin. Let's open it in incognito. So this is how our site looks now when we visit our IP. Cool, right? Nothing much we need to do. Okay, I hope you liked this small video, and there are more small videos that I'm going to make for specific things, so you don't have to look through the entire video. I hope you liked it, so please give it a thumbs up and do subscribe the channel and share it with your friends if they also don't know how to do it. Bye.